The 2026 Mazda 3 is finally here, and trust me, this is the kind of car that reminds you why driving can still be exciting in a world moving toward automation and electric everything. Welcome back to CarScope, and today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated compact cars of the year. Mazda has taken the already loved formula of the Mazda 3 and pushed it even further, giving us a blend of style, performance, technology, and emotion that very few cars in this class manage to deliver. When you first look at the 2026 Mazda 3, the design is the first thing that hits you. Mazda's Kodo language has evolved again, giving the car sharper lines, a more athletic stance, and a road presence that feels way more premium than its price tag suggests. The front grille now looks more sculpted, the LED lighting is sleeker, and the side profile carries that signature Mazda curve that reflects light like a piece of moving art. Even the rear end feels sportier, with redesigned taillights and a cleaner bumper layout that makes the car look wider and more confident. Mazda didn't just update the appearance, they refined it in a way that feels sophisticated and modern. But once you step inside the cabin, that's where the Mazda 3 truly separates itself from the competition. Mazda has continued its mission to bring luxury-like interiors to everyday drivers. Soft-touch materials, textured surfaces, a redesigned center console, and a new steering wheel make the cockpit feel driver-focused and premium. For 2026, Mazda has updated the infotainment system with a larger display, quicker response times, and improved voice recognition. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and the overall layout has been simplified to keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. The seats offer better cushioning and support than ever before, making long drives much more comfortable. Under the hood, Mazda keeps things exciting with multiple engine options. The 2026 Mazda 3 comes with an improved Skyactiv G engine that delivers smoother power delivery and better fuel efficiency. There are rumors of a mild hybrid variant that gives an extra boost during acceleration while keeping emissions low. And of course, Mazda continues to offer the beloved Skyactiv X engine, which blends the efficiency of a diesel with the responsiveness of a gasoline engine. Whether you choose the hatchback or the sedan, the Mazda 3 remains one of the best handling cars in its class. The steering feels precise. The suspension keeps the car planted during tight turns, and the overall driving experience feels more engaging than what you get from most competitors. Mazda has also taken safety to a new level for 2026. The iActive Sense Safety Suite now includes improved adaptive cruise control, better lane keeping assist, upgraded pedestrian detection, and smoother braking intervention. This car not only looks sharp and drives well, it keeps you protected with some of the most advanced safety tech in the segment. Mazda clearly wants the new Mazda 3 to be a smart choice for families, young professionals, and driving enthusiasts alike. And let's not forget practicality. The Mazda 3 might be fun, but it's still a practical everyday car with solid fuel economy, decent cargo space, and comfortable seating for up to 5 passengers. The hatchback offers even more flexibility, making it a great option for those who need a compact car with extra storage room. So, is the 2026 Mazda 3 worth buying? Absolutely. Mazda continues to prove that you don't need a luxury badge to get a premium experience. The design is stunning, the interior feels upscale, the driving dynamics are unmatched, and the technology keeps you connected and safe. For anyone looking for a compact car that doesn't feel basic, the new Mazda 3 stands out as one of the most exciting releases of the year. Thanks for watching CarScope. If you love staying updated with the newest car releases and in-depth reviews, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. We've got more amazing content coming your way, and you won't want to miss it.